Hello, my name is Tom Stern. I'm sitting here in Denmark. I'm director for Healing.dk, company who's dealing with people from the alternative world here in Denmark. And I have been working with Medma for almost a year. They have made my new webpage, and I can just say I'm very, very delighted, and they are so nice to work with. I have had two people here in Denmark on site, and it has been so good to work with them. It's smooth. It's all in Medma company. I have nothing else to say that it's Bohoda Chai. It's very, very nice. The direction is very nice. I've been working with Harry, the director, very, very good. And these two people who have been here, a programmer and a manager, it has been so good. I have been helped so much in this year. I don't know what to do without them, so thank you so much, and I can only say it again, Bohoda Chai. Thank you.